Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect two speakers JBL Clip 5 and Go 4 at the same time via Party Together feature. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly we need to connect both of speakers to the phone. So simply press and hold the power button and you'll hear a sound and this indicator will start blinking. Also, it can automatically connect to the phone if you did this before, but if not, go to the settings and select your device from the list of other devices. Mine is connected now, as you can see. So, now let's connect another speaker. Do the same thing, find the power button, press it, and hold till you hear the voice signal. Great, now it is connected as well. So, go to this app, JBL Portable, open it on your phone, and wait till it will discover your product. Here they are. And now select this icon in the middle of the screen and choose the first device, Go 4. And you heard a chime, which means that it is connected now. And now select another device. You heard the chime as well. And now you can use both of the speakers at the same time. You can check whether this function works by simply playing a song, and you will hear that the sound goes simultaneously from both of the speakers. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.